kind enough to join me this morning is Dr. Shafali Mahesh. And Dr. Mahesh is the pediatrician in chief at Akron Children's Hospital. We found out yesterday that Newsweek has named Akron Children's Hospital as one of America's best children's hospital in so many different areas. And Dr. Mahesh, I guess, thanks for joining us this morning and congratulations on the awards. But, talk about the mission of Akron Children's Hospital. When you see these awards come down, has to be very gratifying of what you guys are doing for all of us.
Absolutely, Ray. Firstly, thanks for having me. This is a huge honor, and we're extremely proud to be recognized as Best Children's Hospital in the nation by Newsweek. To your point, I think these kind of rankings really measure many facets of care. And in addition to hospital quality metrics and feedback from medical professionals, it also includes patient satisfaction scores and patient-reported outcomes. So in that sense, this national recognition is really a testament to our holistic commitment to improving child health and giving our kids a chance to more childhood, which is a mission that we live by every single day.
Dr. Master, so many different areas. I'll let you touch on them where the high rankings came down. But really, when you look at Akron Children's Hospital, and we talk about it in the media almost each and every year, you're adding on, you're bringing this in, you're adding this technology, you've got this type of area, continuing to improve the aspects of taking care of our children.
Most definitely, Ray. I think you said it. And, in addition to facilities and equipment, technology, we invest heavily in training and research and making sure the kids that we serve get the most cutting edge of treatment. But really what makes the most difference, I think, is our people. And as you mentioned, we were ranked in all 8 of the specialties. And I would say that each of our programs in all of these specialties has built really strong teams focused not only on treating illnesses, but also supporting the entire family along with the child that we're treating. Just to highlight a few examples of that, we just last week opened our brand new heart unit, which is the combined expertise of a ICU team along with a heart team of cardiologists and cardiac surgeons that take care of patients in the same unit in the same bed. So the patient stays in the same room, and the staff and teams and resources move around the patient in a patient-centric way, providing the highest level of specialized care to that child. I would say, looking at our neonatal services, we offer the level 4 critical care services to the most premature and critically ill newborns. But then we also just hosted our first mother-baby health fair, which is a community event focusing on educating and supporting new and expectant moms. So we're focused both on the advanced care, but also on prevention and supporting families in ways that just takes that care to the next level. We have, fellowship-trained neurosurgeons that can do not only tumor surgeries, but also epilepsy surgeries. And we're investing in a high-tech epilepsy monitoring unit in the next year or so. We've got our orthopedics services. We have not only a really specialized spine OR with the most advanced cutting-edge technology, but we just hosted a spine screening event in Beechwood to screen kids for scoliosis. So we're really focused on the entire gamut of prevention to the highest level of advanced care.
With us is Dr. Shafali Mahesh, again, pediatrician in chief at Akron Children's Hospital. It came down this week, Newsweek naming Akron's Children's Hospital as one of America's best children's hospital. It's terrific. I've had a chance to go in the neonatal area, take the tour up there with Mr. Considine a couple of years ago, the improvements there. Dr. Mahesh, you mentioned a couple of the improvements that are here now. What about on down the line? What are some of the things in the works, again, when you're affecting so many of our families here in the area?
Sure. We are, I think the families can really continue to expect us. We're going to keep growing and innovating from expanding services closer to home to, I would say, advanced programming. Perfect examples here. We're expanding our services in Marietta, Belpre, which is the southernmost tip of Ohio, bringing pediatric care close to home, including primary care, school health, rehab services, specialists in a pediatric emergency room. We'll also be building a mother-baby center there to help deliver some higher-risk babies in the region so families don't have to travel 2 hours for that type of service. With regards to programming, we're opening up our new autism center in November here, so that will allow us to take care of children with autism in an environment that is really designed for their success. And then I would say really embracing technology and innovation. We're expanding our reach into digital tools and AI that will help us monitor patients more safely and provide care that is cutting edge and safer for families and patients.
Impact not only for families, for the children, but also economically, right, Dr. Mahesh, when you talked about it and you opened it up by talking about your employees and the dedication they have in the medical care in Akron Children's Hospital.
Most definitely. I think, technology is, we have to figure out how to embrace technology while we, not only as we service the modern audience, but remain faithful to the quality that we've provided for the last 135 years. And it's exciting to see what that can do to both support our employees, but also, as you said, provide cost-effective care to our patients as close to home as possible.
Dr. Mahesh, thanks for joining us this morning. Congratulations to you, the entire staff there at Akron Children's Hospital. Doesn't happen by accident. You got the accreditation and the awards from Newsweek magazine. Well done. Thanks for getting up and sharing the stories with me this morning. I appreciate it.
Of course. My pleasure, Ray. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
You too. Dr. Shefali Mahesh with us from Akron Children's Hospital, pediatrician in chief.